quiet flight, soft as dreams, they touch the ground. Time slows, the world unwinds, gentle breezes healing minds. Oh, whispered leaves, you know my name. You carry me through joy and pain. A lullaby, a tender flame. Oh, whispered leaves, oh, whispered leaves. Crimson skies, the evening glows, a river hums, it softly flows, every shade a story untold. Hold the moment, let it stay. Calm and gentle, guide the way. Oh, whispered leaves, you know my name. You carry me through joy and pain. A lullaby, a tender flame. Oh, whispered leaves, oh, whispered leaves, oh, whispered leaves. Moonlight spills on the floor tonight. A quiet river flows through my mind. Whispers soft like a lullaby. I drift away. I drift away. whispering dreams, they carry me to places I've never seen. A gentle hand, a calming sea, whispering dreams, they carry me. Time stands still in the breath we share. The weight of the world dissolves in air. Shadows dance on the wall so bare. I'm weightless now. I'm weightless now. Can you hear the silence sing in every pause, in every strain? The world fades out, it's only us in this moment. We learn to trust. Whispering dreams, they carry me to places I've never seen. A gentle hand, a calming sea, whispering dreams, they carry me. Close your eyes, the night is near. Feel the warmth, let go of fear. Whispering dreams, soft and clear. I'm home tonight, I'm home right here. Night wraps the earth in a velvet shroud. The stars hum low, no words, no crowd. The breeze whispers secrets, soft and slow. Where do the dreams of the quiet go? Whisper of the moon nothing else, just feel. Shadows stretch long, they touch the ground. Echoes of silence, the purest sound. I close my eyes, the world fades to none, carried by the night till the morning comes. Drift and fall, so sweet, so deep. The sky and I, we softly weep. Whisper of the moonlight, holding me still. Time stands on tiptoes, bends to my will. A gentle sigh, a tender thrill. Whisper of the moonlight, nothing else, just feel. Silver threads weave through the air, a melody spun with tender care. Breathe it, heal, it heals, it mends. This is where the broken a gentle sigh, a tender thrill. Whisper of the moonlight, nothing else, just feel.